Welcome to Myca500. In this video, you will learn how to create and manage patients. From the navigation bar, click the patient's icon. In the top right corner, select the blue Add Patient button. Enter the required information and click Submit. A pop-up will appear, which you can close for now. From the Patients page, you can see the list of patients. The most recently created patient will appear at the top. In the top right corner, you can search for patients by date of birth, name, patient ID, email, or phone number. Click the three dots next to a patient and choose Edit Patient. From here, you can change any of the patient's personal information. Ready to learn more? Check out all of our tutorials on our tutorial page or reach out to support at mynxsoftwares.com for additional help.